Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for our practical Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hi, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And everyone goes to work, gets off of work, day in, day out. So we should teach people how to ask about, what time you go to work and what time you get off work.
好啊。
Okay, so let's start off with, what time do you work? You have to go to work. 请问你几点上班？
几多点上班？
几多点 that's 你几点哦？上班啊，听起来很爽哦。可是有些人上班不爽啊。
不爽的话，赶快下班就下班。
下班一听就听得出来啊。Okay, so that means what time do you go to work and what time you get off of work? All right, but sometimes people have to do overtime. 然后可能就会很沮丧的说，我今天要加班。
我根本日爱加班，
我根本日爱加班。那或许可能更惨的就是最近常常加班啊。I have to work overtime a lot lately.
最近从头加班，
最近从头加班，这应该更沮丧。
对啊，所以更沮丧要讲。加班好累哦。
对，没错。working overtime is so tiring.
加班很累哦。
加班很累哦，那样子吗？
对啊。
这么难念，已经这么累了。
那教个海陆腔好。
好啊，对，海陆腔还没有教。
加班很甜哦。
甜哦，不甜啊，很苦啊。
不是那个甜呢。
甜是累哦。
对啊。
甜累一样的道理啊。Okay, so that's a different dialect. 加班很甜哦。Let's review all these terms for all those people who are working. You can say this from now on. What time do you go to work? 几点上班？
几多点上班？
几多点上班？那几点下班？ What time you get off of work?
几多点下班？
几多点下班？ And you have to work overtime today. 我今天要加班。
我根本日爱加班。
我根本日爱加班。And then lately I have to do a lot of overtime. 最近要常常加班。
最近从头加班。
最近从头加班。And finally, it's so tiring. 加班好累啊。
加班很累哦。
加班很累哦。
加班很甜哦。
And another dialect. 加班很甜哦。Okay, that does it for today's very, very practical Hakka. And have fun at work. That does it for today's practical Hakka.
是某台嘎。
案子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.